Hi there, YouTube. Alright, so we're working on a 2020 Tiguan, doing rotors and pads in the rear, and they have the electronic parking brake. So you need a scan tool to retract that and put it in service mode. And that's a whole different video for it, but my quick tip of the day is on these rotors, and I've done a few of them, but for someone doing it at home, trying to figure out, the brake, once you retract this, then you just use a normal piston, caliper piston tool, and you push that back. It doesn't have to be twisted. You just push it back, or use a C clamp, or if you get to this part, and you have your scan tool and everything, this will be pretty simple. Now, my quick tip was, you don't have to remove the caliper bracket. It's got these two bolts, one here and one on the bottom, but you gotta get it from this side. Sorry about the camera. Now, the reason I'm saying you don't have to remove it, it's this rotor. Okay, so once you remove this is the new one I put on, but once you remove this rotor, this set screw, then the rotor, you can slide this out, without needing to remove that caliper bracket. I'm doing it with one hand, so you can just slide it out, which it's pretty convenient on VW's part. And just the way you slide it out, you can just set the new, like you've seen it, before I took it off. You can set the new rotor in there, and so you don't have to remove this bracket. On most cars you do. I would say 90% of them, 99% maybe, I don't know, you have to remove the caliper bracket. But on this particular VW and the ones like it, I hope it helps someone out there. All right, guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching.